This is Signal Daily News. Marketing news that actually matters to your business. Here's what you need to know today. You've probably seen the headlines about WordPress versus Shopify. But here's what nobody's telling you. The comparison guides are asking the wrong question entirely. We're tracking a new conversation in the web development space. It's not about which platform is better. It's about what your website actually needs to do for you. Think about it this way. WordPress is like a toolbox. It can build almost anything. But you need to know what you're doing. Shopify is like a fully furnished store. It's ready to sell from day one. But you're stuck with the layout. For context, most small businesses don't need a custom-built rocket ship. They need a storefront that opens on time. They need a site that loads fast, takes payments, and doesn't crash on a busy Monday. So, what does this mean for your business? In our assessment, it comes down to 3 questions. First, are you selling physical products? Then Shopify is your friend. It handles inventory, shipping, and taxes without the headache. Second, are you building a content-driven brand? Maybe you're writing blogs or hosting a podcast. Then WordPress gives you the flexibility to grow beyond just sales. Third, and this is the big one. What's your time worth? WordPress costs less upfront. But you'll spend hours on maintenance, plugins, and security updates. Shopify costs more monthly. But you'll spend those hours actually running your business. Here's your move this week. Don't start with a platform. Start with a piece of paper. Write down the 3 things your website must do to make you money. Then match the platform to that list. If you're still stuck, remember this. The best website is the one you'll actually update. The one that doesn't make you dread logging in. That's the real metric. That's your briefing. Full story at Signal Daily News. Go grow your business. We'll keep watch on the news.